Hello, young scientists! Today, we're going to do an amazing volcano eruption experiment together. This experiment is a beautiful example of acid-base reactions. When baking soda, base, and vinegar, acid, combine, they produce carbon dioxide gas, water, and a type of salt. The rapid release of this gas creates a volcanic eruption effect. Are you ready? Then, let's start our adventure. Required materials: a small plastic bottle or tube, clay or Play-Doh, liquid soap, food coloring, vinegar, 6 tablespoons of baking soda. First, let's choose a plastic bottle as the heart of our volcano. Then, take the Play-Doh and wrap it around the bottle to form a great volcano shape. Remember, the more realistic our volcano looks, the more exciting our experiment will be. Add half a cup of water inside our plastic bottle. Then, add some liquid soap to make our lava more fluid. Now, to give our lava a red appearance, add a few drops of red food coloring into the bottle. We add 6 tablespoons of baking soda to the bottle. Look how our volcano comes to life. And here comes the most exciting moment. Carefully add the vinegar and watch our magical eruption. Be ready for the red lava erupting from our volcano. Congratulations, little scientist! We have successfully completed an incredible volcano experiment together. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in our next scientific discovery. Goodbye!